Hi guys, welcome to our video lesson where we're going to review the properties of integer exponents. So what we're talking about is when expressions have the same base. So if you look at all of these expressions right here, they all have a base of b. So in all these that we're talking about. So that could stand for a variable or a number, but it just needs to be the same thing for these properties to hold true. Okay, so the first property we are going to talk about is the product property of integer exponents. As we see, we have b to the a times b to the c. And we can write that as just one term b to the power of a plus c. So when multiplying two exponential expressions with the same base, we add their exponents. So let me show you. We could easily use that property. We have r cubed times r squared. So we would be taking r to the 3 plus 2, which is just r to the 5th. But I want to show you by expanding why that is true. R cubed we know is r times itself 3 times. So I'm going to put that in parentheses. R times r times r. But then we're multiplying that times r squared, which is r times itself 2 times. So actually we have r times itself 5 times. Hence why we just had to add the exponents and we get r to the 5th. The next one is the quotient property of integer exponents. When we're taking b to the a and dividing it by b to the c, what we do is we end up with b to the a minus c. So in dividing two exponential expressions with the same base, we subtract their exponents. So in this example, I have k to the 7th over k cubed. So the exponent on top is which comes first. That'd be k to the 7 minus 3, and so that is k to the 4th. But again, let me show you how that works out. I have k to the 7th on top. That means I have k multiplied by itself 7 times on top. And then I have k cubed on bottom, so I just have k times k times k. So whenever we have a fraction, we have common factors in the numerator and denominator, we can cancel those. So what I have here is I'm canceling 1, I'm canceling 2, and I'm canceling 3. Hence the subtracting 3 from the original 7 in the numerator. So that leaves me with k to the 4th. And the last property I'm going to talk about in this video is the power property of integer exponents. So if I have b to the a and that is also being raised to the c power, that is just going to be b to the a times c. So when raising an exponent to another power or exponent, we multiply the exponents. Okay, so in this case, I have f to the 7th cubed. So that would be f to the 7 times 3. So that's f to the 21st. Now this would be a lot for me to write out all the time, but let's think about it. That's f to the 7th cubed. So what that means is I'm taking f to the 7th times itself 3 times. And if you can visualize, there's going to be 7 f's here, 7 f's here, and 7 f's here. And 7 times 3 gives you 21. So that is our power property of integer exponents. All right, I will do the examples with you in class.